And welcome back to Motherwell School online classes. So last classes we studied that there was a boy called Huggy, and he doesn't have any job. He was wandering here and there, and also he had a girlfriend. And one day he went to his friend's studio. There he saw that a man who was sitting there with like a beggar, and the Alan Trevor, he was making the picture of him, and he asked to the Trevor, how much you paid to him for an hour. He says that a shilling for an hour, so that was a less money for sitting for an hour. So and then what happens there, something he said that this is not good fare and all, and so you getting a pounds and all. So what happened then, he was little quiet, um, busy or a little quiet, angry with him, and he left the studio. So but and sometimes servants in, and he said that, the frame maker wanted to speak to him. Don't away, Haggy. He said he went out and he will back in a moment. So there, all the beggar of advantages of towers, absence to the best moment, the wooden bench that had been behind him. He looked so fallen and rich that Haggy could not help pitying, and felt him pockets see what money he had. Fine coins away and poor fellow. The fellow he want to meet it more than I do. Then I mean the no taxes of next 2 weeks. They walk across the studio and spilled sovereign into that. Okay. So finish and found a boy answered ever. यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है कि he was the Hagi was pity on that poor beggar, and he is saying that this is not good to be doing like this. Uh, he was the Trevor at the plate club, and well, Alan, did you get the picture finished all right? I finished from my boy, answered Trevor. And why you have made conquest of morals so quite devoted to you, and it's all about you, who you are, and where you live, and your income is, what is your have. The Alan cried Huggy. अरे Alan, okay, हगी को क्या अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो जैसे ये पुअर जैसे गरीब बंदा को जैसे पकड़ के पिटाने में अच्छा नहीं लगा. So I shall probably find him waiting for me when I go out. But cause that joking. So there the conversation with Alan and Trevor, they were saying that this is not good. Again and again he was, the Hagi was arguing that you are not doing that and this and that. Okay, certainly he was runless colonel level Laura, found thousands. The old beggar of my private office. Okay, so इसके बारे में, हगी के बारे में सब कुछ उन्होंने बता दिया. हाँ, ठीक है. एलन और दो बेगर को बता दिया. तो टू हु वाज दैट, द क्वेश्चन वाज देयर. तो यू टोल्ड दैट द बेगर इज my dear boy, said Trevor, smiling. That old beggar, as you call him, is the richest man in Europe. यूरोप से सबसे बड़ा और सबसे धनी लोग है वो. He could buy all London tomorrow without ordering his account. He has house every capital, diamonds of gold plates, and prevent Russia going war when he chooses. Okay. So सब कुछ खरीद सकते जैसे एक धनिक आदमी है वहाँ पे है. Okay, so after some time what happens, Hagi was fixed his marriage with Laura, and one day morning Hagi was having breakfast. Okay, he got a letter behalf of Baron Habsburg. Baron Habsburg was the man who was sitting in front of that Alan Trevor. So then what happened, he is saying that nothing is there, and that was a greeting from the behalf of Baron Baron Van Hausberg. Okay, so after some time, what happens? The next morning was the breakfast. The servant brought him a card on which was the written Mr. Gustav Nadin on behalf of Baron Hausberg. ओके, यहाँ पे एक मिस्टर गस्ताव नौदिन का नाम से एक लेटर आ चुका था और वहाँ पे लिखा है किसके नाम से आया है, बैरन हाउसबर्ग. आई सपोज he has come to for an apology, said Hagi out to himself and get told all the servant to show the visitor up. And all the gentlemen with the gold spectacle and grey hair came into the room and said in slight French accent, have the honor of addressing Mr. Erskine. अगर मेरे को ये अच्छा लगता है, आई एम गेटिंग ऑनर टू एड्रेसिंग मिस्टर Erskine Hagi. And he's looking very rich and everything was good. I have come from Baron Hausberg. He continued, the Baron, I beg, sir, that you will offer my sincere apologies, stand Hagi. Okay, सभी को apologies, मेरा apologies बताना है. The Baron said, the old gentleman with a smile has asked me to bring you this letter, and he extended a sealed envelope. Okay, एक envelope उनको वहाँ पे दिया. On the outside was written a wedding present to Hagi Erskine and Laura Merton. Laura Merton और Hagi Erskine के लिए एक उनका wedding present है ये. Inside was check for £1,000. When they were married, Alan Trevor was the best man, and the Baron made speech वेडिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. अगर अलन ट्रेवर वहाँ पे एक अच्छा बंदा बन गया, मतलब उनको जो जैसे जो वॉन्डरिंग बंदा को कुछ पैसा उन्होंने दिलवा दिया था. द मिलनेयर मॉडल रिमार्क एलन, द रेयर इनफ एंड द रेयर मॉडल मिलनेयर आर रेयर स्टिल. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपन्स. ओके, आपको एक इंग्लिश में जैसे एक कहावत है कि डोंट जज बुक बाय इट्स कवर. मतलब वो वहाँ पे एक बंदा बैठा था, उनको जैसा आगे को जैसा देखा नहीं, मतलब क्या होता है एक बेगर जैसे, और एलन ट्रेवर को जैसे उन्होंने गुस्सा किया था एलन ट्रेवर के ऊपर. सो हियर आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट इफ यू लुकिंग ए मैन विद बैड clothes, don't judge him as a poor man. He has a lot of things, and maybe he may be rich, he may be good character and all those things. So just try to live according to that. Okay, thank you, have a nice day. Okay, so the question answers we will send you by WhatsApp, and here and if you have any doubts, anything you need to ask, we are free to ask. We are here to helping you. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.